Introducing a luxury two-story residence by La Contessa Clark, Prime Properties Development Corporation. Welcome to Reynosa, a luxurious two-story residence with a total floor area of 286.53 square meters, including a heated dipping pool. This modern home features 4 fully air-conditioned bedrooms and advanced smart home technology. It includes automated and voice-activated gates, a smart lock on the main door, and smart light switches throughout. Reynosa is eco-friendly, powered by solar energy, and comes fully furnished with sophisticated furniture in the living and dining areas, complemented by stylish curtains and window blinds. Each room is equipped with modular cabinets, and the kitchen features high-quality modular cabinetry. The house also includes a full range of appliances, elegant interior decor, landscaped gardens, and indoor plants. For your security, the property is equipped with CCTV cameras covering both indoor and outdoor areas. Experience unparalleled luxury and convenience at Reynosa, the perfect blend of modern living and elegant comfort. Discover elegance in this 18-square-meter living area, where modernity harmonizes with comfort. Enhanced security is ensured with a smart lock on the main door, while inside, a cozy sofa set, stylish center table, and cutting-edge 65-inch LED smart Android TV. Modern kitchen with white quartz counters, metallic glass backsplash, and smart appliances including a double-door refrigerator, induction cooktop, built-in oven, and microwave. Plus, a spacious 3-seater kitchen island. Enjoy stylish dining with a 6-seater table and floor-mounted air conditioning for comfort in the living, kitchen, and dining areas. Plus, easy access to the pool area through a sliding door for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Experience luxury with our heated dipping pool featuring cascading waterfalls. Reynosa also features a convenient pantry and powder room, equipped with cabinets, toilet, lavatory, and a shower area for added comfort and functionality. Enjoy family time in the comfort of a split-type air-conditioned area, featuring a 55-inch LED smart Android TV. Relax on the stylish L-shaped sofa set with a center table, and easily access the balcony through sliding doors for a breath of fresh air. Experience luxury in our air-conditioned primary bedroom with a 55-inch LED smart Android TV and walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom offers lavish amenities, including lavatory countertops, cabinets, a water heater, and a sleek shower area with frameless sliding tempered glass doors. Plus, enjoy easy balcony access for seamless indoor-outdoor living. Experience comfort in the secondary bedroom, complete with a 55-inch LED smart Android TV and air conditioning. enjoy the convenience of a modular cabinet closet, similar to the other rooms. The ensuite bathroom boasts lavatory countertops, a water heater, and a sleek shower area enclosed by frameless sliding tempered glass doors. Bedroom 3 offers air conditioning and a 55-inch LED smart Android TV entertainment console. Plus, keep your belongings organized in style with the sleek modular cabinet closet. Bedroom 4 offers the same luxurious features as Bedroom 3, such as air conditioning and a 55-inch LED smart Android TV entertainment console. Adding to its allure, a sleek modular cabinet closet ensures efficient and stylish storage. There is a common toilet and bathroom for added convenience. Step into the night ambience of Reynosa and experience the functionality of a 34.96 square meter garage, complete with a smart and automated gate, effortlessly operated with voice commands or directly from your smartphone.